Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, get ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pleasure to be with you on the happy occasion of our Independence Day and share my feelings with you all. People in all parts of the country would celebrate this historic event today with much jubilation. We on this occasion have to pay our homage and express our sincere gratitude to the millions of men and women who took part in the freedom movement for our country under the inspiring leadership of the father of the nation. Para, I would like to share with you that though freedom is our birthright, we should never at the same time forget our duties and responsibilities to the nation. We are enjoying the benefits of the freedom secured after great sacrifices made by those who fought for the same. Hence, we should preserve our hard-won freedom for the betterment of the future generation. Para, our country has got a democratic setup with a legislative setup in the respective states and the parliament at the center with representatives elected by the people at equal intervals. Under the 5-year plans, there is no doubt the state and the center have implemented a number of schemes in order to increase the wealth of the nation and to raise the standard of living of the people. The respective state governments have constructed a number of dams across the rivers in different parts of the country, which to a large extent have increased the agricultural output year after year, resulting into self-sufficiency in the matter of food production. On the other side, a number of industries have emerged, providing employment opportunities to a large number of people. Para, we are still considered as a developing nation despite the fact that we have made tremendous achievements in the various sectors after our independence, which we got 50 years back. Therefore, on this occasion, we have to find out the problems facing us and solving the same at the earliest possible. Further, we should make persistent efforts to tap our own natural resources as well as human resources. For example, the rainwater is allowed to go waste into the sea during rainy season by some states, whereas in some other states there is a shortage of water for irrigation for drinking purposes. Turning to education, there are large number of boys and girls who are not receiving their education even at the elementary level. The government should pay some attention to such matters so that we could make considerable progress in the years to come. Para, in the last place, political freedom is important and equally necessary so that our people should feel free from poverty and ignorance. Only when everyone is able to earn sufficient money by his own to provide with the basic necessities of life such as food, clothing and shelter, we can say that we have got real freedom. In view of this, all of us should forget our differences and work together in all the ways possible for the progress of the nation. I would conclude my speech with these words. Thank you.